Mans, France. The world's most famous sports car endurance race takes a terrifying turn.
Oh, there's a huge accident.
Speeding at 185 miles an hour, driver Peter Dumbreck's car suddenly flies into the air. It cartwheels wildly and crashes into the woods. Track workers hop the guardrail with extinguishers.
I'm afraid this could be a serious situation.
Very serious indeed. Two marshals rushing over the straightaway.
Things do not look good for Peter Dumbreck. At that blistering speed, the curved hood generates too much lift. The race car flies. It rockets skyward, spinning through the air and disappearing in the trees. Amazingly, Peter Dumbreck isn't even hurt. He'll get another shot at Le Mans. His high-performance Mercedes, however, is history.
Oh, there's a huge